the program from. So hey guys, welcome to this Passive Money YouTube channel, and today we are going to discuss about the Asigo system. Okay, but before starting the video, there is a link in the video description. Click the link, put your email for instant notification when this product launch, and also we give you the free bonuses direct to your email when it's launched. Okay guys, let's start the video. The Asigo system is the latest software program by Chris Munch and Jay Cruz, who have previously released various online marketing products and on remarkable success. The Asigo system empowers users to reach their e-commerce goal effectively, promoting a high value, high demand e-services at the 90% profit in a smart automated way and earn huge profit on every sale. Okay, the Asigo system features the best tried and tested software tools that enable users to start and grow their online business by running an optimized e-store and selling high ticket and high demand e-services. The Asigo training is the perfect blend of inspiration, practical information, and tangible action steps through a little shown and tell with case study examples, relevant stories, and sales strategies. Asigo users learn how to move their e-commerce business forward exponentially and start generating $10,000 and more per month. Okay, guys. The Asigo business model has been growing for the past 5 years. The whole system only takes a matter of minutes to set up and revolves around an automated 5-step process that has enabled test students to generate from $0 to $3,000 plus per week, even with no experience. The primary mentors who are behind this revolutionary e-commerce business model are Jay Cruz and Chris Munch, developer of powerful programs like Amplifier and 100K Shout Out. Chris Munch and Jay Cruz provides all the training and reveals their expert secrets so that anyone can apply them and achieve amazing results in their own life and online business. Even beginners can use the Asigo software platform without any hassles. They will give you all the training and tools you need to copy their 8-figure business model as part of your investment. Okay, Asigo team will build and optimizing your e-store for you, and the Asigo high ticket sales seeker will help you generate high quality leads for your business. Asigo automated funnels will convert them into high ticket buyers. The Amplify team will deliver the e-service for you, a service for which you can get paid $1,000 and more for each sale you make. So this is a automated e-service program. Okay, you don't need any skills or something, just you need money to invest in this program, guys. Okay, also our Asigo system is announced to providing the best from e-commerce and affiliate marketing and putting it together in one course teaching how to get a commission on a high ticket recurring sale. With the little details that is known, Asigo system is aiming to combine the latest software technology and automation to put out 7-figure sales. Okay, the Asigo system is designed to take someone $0 to $100,000 per year with no product, no audience, no website, no experience, no paid traffic, no special skills. Okay, guys, this program cost you $2,997. You can say almost $3,000. Yes, it is a high ticket program, but I think if any Asigo member can able to make $10,000 per month, then this price is not much expensive. Okay, so what can we expect from the Asigo system? Let's see. Well, judging on Chris's past work, we can expect from the to deliver an interesting course based on his extensive experience comes as the successor of the 100K Shout Out course launched last year, named 100K to help digital marketers build a 100K per year business starting from scratch. The training was offered along with Amplifier program and consisted of 2 parts: training plus software. Based on the experience with 100K Shout Out course, which was launched with a limited time offer, we can expect the same from the Asigo system launch. Grab it while you can. Okay, this Asigo system will open from 28th July and it will close on 6th August. Okay, so you can buy this you can buy the program from between these dates. So there will be bonuses for early course students. If you want to get free bonuses, then click the link and sign up. You will get the free bonuses when the system was launched, and the link is given in this video description. Okay, so guys, this is the end of our video. I hope you guys get some values. If you then like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel for upcoming ASIGO updates. Bye bye, take care guys.